What used to be complex is now clear and straightforward. With dormakaba's door construction sets, procuring automatic sliding doors has never been easier. From planning through to installation. Modular, flexible, and surprisingly fast. The door construction set is a well-designed modular system for automatic sliding doors. Instead of requiring a large number of individual item numbers, you need a maximum of just 2. What was once made up of many separate parts becomes one integrated system. All relevant components, profiles, seals, drive unit, and supplementary accessories are bundled into one complete door solution. The process starts directly on site with the DCS door selector. Only 2 dimensions are required, the width and the height of the structural opening. Step by step, a reliable and plausible configuration is created. Door variant, profile, surface finish, operator, with or without escape route functionality. At the end, automatically generated documents, ordering information, cutting lists and glass dimensions are provided, ready to order. The door construction sets are pre-configured stock items and are therefore available at short notice. Thanks to optimized packaging, the entire system for standard lengths up to 2.6 meters fits into a small van. This means short transport routes, reduced delivery times, and maximum planning reliability. Simply count the boxes and you'll know how many doors you can build. The real advantage of the system becomes clear in the workshop. The profiles are already pre-machined at the factory. The lengths are simply cut to size as required. Drill holes are positioned using the supplied template. Door leaf, glass, and operator can be installed quickly and without special tools. This saves time, reduces potential sources of error, and cuts material waste by up to 20% compared with conventional stock lengths. Uncoated profiles are packed separately and can be forwarded directly to the coating supplier. All door construction sets comply with the applicable legal requirements. They are type-tested complete door systems, including CE marking, declaration of conformity, and approval in accordance with EN 16005. Also for emergency exit routes. Automatic sliding doors have never been this modular, this efficient, or this easy to install. Discover the new door construction sets from dormakaba.